Hi, this is Tyler Wilkinson with Wilkinson Auctions here at Carl F. Stotts & Sons in Waunakee, getting ready for our big Wednesday, December 4th equipment auction here at Carl F. Stotts. The dealership's going to be offering a bunch of brand new, like new, and quality used equipment at auction. And we've also taken in consignments from area farmers. We've got a great lineup of farm equipment, ATVs, attachments, snowmobiles, and a lot more. Hey, come check out the lineup and the auction Wednesday, December 4th here in Waunakee. All right, guys, let's go inside, check out the retail store here at Carl F. Stotts, see the great stuff they have for sale that's not going to be on the auction, and see if we can meet one of the Stotts brothers, one of the owners of the dealership. I'm here with Dean Stotts, one of the owners of Carl F. Stotts & Sons, here to talk to us about the auction. Dean?
Yes, welcome. On behalf of the Stotts family, we welcome everybody to come to our auction on December 4th. We got a lot of nice equipment down in our yard with our own stuff and customer stuff. We will also be having a Polaris open house the weekend following the sale, and you can come in during the sale time and we'll offer the same discounts at that time.
Awesome opportunity to make some great buys here at Carl F. Stotts & Sons in Waunakee. We'll see you on December 4th.